Welcome back to our estate planning series. Did you know that the average probate process in the U.S. takes around 16 months and can cost thousands of dollars? It can sometimes drag on for years, leaving families with significant financial burdens and emotional stress. Hi, I'm Berk. In this fourth video, we'll explore 5 key decisions you should nail down before finalizing your online estate planning questionnaire. First on our list, choosing your successor trustee. This pivotal role determines who will manage your assets if you pass away or become incapacitated. You and your spouse often serve as co-trustees for married couples, ensuring little change while you live. But what happens after you're gone? Many opt for financially responsible individuals, but the choice isn't always straightforward. Join us as we unravel the complexities of successor trustees and 4 other critical decisions that will shape your estate plan. Don't let your legacy become another statistic. Let's empower you to make informed choices that protect your loved ones and honor your wishes. Decision number 1. Who will manage your money? First, decide who steps in as your successor trustee. If you pass away or become incapacitated, this person or institution will manage your assets. If you're married, you and your spouse often serve as co-trustees, so there's little change while you're alive. After both spouses pass, the successor trustee takes over. Many people choose financially responsible adult children, siblings, or close friends. Some opt for professionals like trust companies. Decision number 2. Who receives the money? Next, identify your beneficiaries, the people or organizations who will ultimately benefit from your assets. These can be children, friends, charities, or a mix. If you have younger beneficiaries, you might arrange for funds to be released at a certain age rather than handed over all at once. This ensures their inheritance is managed wisely until they're ready. Decision number 3. Who will raise your minor children? This is one of the toughest calls, choosing a guardian to step in if both parents pass. It could be a family member or a trusted friend who shares your values and will provide a nurturing environment. Remember, you can name co-guardians if you prefer. Decision number 4. Who makes medical decisions if you're incapacitated? Some refer to this person as your healthcare proxy. If you're in the hospital and unable to decide on medical treatments, this individual communicates with doctors on your behalf. Married couples often name each other first, then add backups. You don't need to know all your medical treatment preferences right now. Most states require you to fill those details in your handwriting later. Decision number 5. Who makes financial decisions if you're incapacitated? Like the healthcare proxy, this person handles your finances if you can't manage them yourself. Often, individuals choose the same person as their successor trustee, since it's someone they already trust to make wise financial decisions. Congratulations! You've now answered the 5 critical questions that form the foundation of your estate plan. But what's next? In the final video of our estate planning series, which you can click right here on the screen, we'll guide you step by step through filling out your estate planning questionnaire, helping you turn your decisions into clear, actionable instructions. And don't forget, the description below includes a free estate planning checklist kit. It's designed to help you organize your thoughts and ensure you've covered all the essential points. Click the video right now, and let's start putting everything together to create a personalized estate plan that honors your wishes and protects your loved ones. I'll see you there.